Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Mug Full of Life. I'm Arfa Azam and I'm back on my channel. Finally back with a new video. So now this video is going to be kind of a makeup tutorial video in which I'm going to share how I would do a really basic makeup look, like to be carried on a daily day-to-day basis, maybe for a teenager while going to tuition or some day outs or regular office or anything, just a regular makeup tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's directly get into the video. So the very first step is moisturize your face. That's really important and not skippable. So I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. That is a gel kind of, but it will moisturize my face since it is summer, so that would do much. Now once you are done with moisturizing your face, while doing the rest of the things you should do, you should just take a lip balm and moisturize your lips as well. So I'm using the Himalaya Cocoa Butter Lip Balm, and that's it. Now moving on to the next step, we have to apply any cream. Like, most preferable is a BB cream or a CC cream on a daily basis, but as of now I have run out of it, so I would use Lacto Calamine. That's also a really nice cream. Done. Now next up we will set our face with a powder. I prefer compact powders to set my face, but you can also use some loose powder or any powder just to set your face in. So I'm using the Fit Me Compact Powder, Maybelline Fit Me Powder. So I'm done with the compact powder. That will just prevent to some extent oiling for your face, and also it will give a nice set matte look to your face. So when done with that, we will next move on to eye. That's the most important. So the really basic most important product is kajal. So I'll be applying kajal. Now obviously the classic is a black kajal, and I usually prefer the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal, but as of now I've run out of that, so I would use this Miss Claire Kajal in deep brown shade for my eyes. So just using the help of a mirror, I just put it as a simple kajal in my lower lash line. Now absolutely optional is an eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner, but that's completely preferable if you like. So for eyeliner, you can either use an eyeliner proper, or sometimes I like to also line my upper eyelids with the kajal itself since I have in my hands. So I'll just go in the upper eyelids as well with the kajal. From outward to inward, this way makes kind of a winged look. So that is what all I'm doing, and just put it all in together. The lower line and the upper line, we just have to put in together. So I'm done with the kajal, and next step is an optional blush. Since we do not really have to put on blush every single day, so I would just I have this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in shade Mellow Wine. So I actually am not using the brush, I'll just go in with my fingers, but I need mirror. And repeat on the other side of you. Blush is something that you can go as you like, as much you like, and when you like. So done with that. Now the next step is obviously lips. Now you can go for either a lip gloss or tinted lip balm or a lipstick, a nude or light lipstick. It completely depends. So as of now, I would actually like to use this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. So now I think I'm done with my makeup. I don't think there's any more time we have to invest on a daily basis on our look or makeup or whatever, but we have one more step which we can go, and for that we just require one more thing, mascara, with which we can go on our eyelashes, of course, and also on our eyebrows. So I'll just go get the mascara, but that's completely optional. It depends on the time you have and your mood or whatever. So I am back with my mascara with me. So I have this Maybelline the Hypercurl waterproof mascara. This is actually a new one with its plastic on. Let's just use it for my eyelashes first. I would again need a mirror. So I think I'm done with my eyelashes. I just like one coat of mascara only, and now we can actually go in with the mascara itself on our eyebrows just to set them and also to a little bit fill them. So I would go in with it on my eyebrows. So I'm done with this, and I feel like it also filled my eyebrows to quite some extent. So this is a quick hack trick kind of a thing for your eyebrows. You obviously don't have the time to fill it every day. And I think with that I'm done with the look. I would do all the makeup that I would do on my face. So I'll just get back with my specs on and my contours back in place. Now coming on to the closure of the video, I would thank you so very much for watching my video up till here, and I would just request you to like my video and most importantly share it with anyone possible and everyone possible, and also comment down your views on my video or any suggestions for videos that you would like me to make. And up till the next video, goodbye and take care and stay safe.